Alright, Skydio launching number 2. Skydio launching number 2. It's got the eyeball on me. Like fixed track. This angle here. You know what? Let's get in kind of snug. Just to keep it low. See how you do, buddy. Actually. Alright, so this is just a secondary launch after the crash. Make sure everything's alright. It's actually the first crash I ever had when the Skydio 2 was in follow mode. Had it in fixed track. Wanted it to follow me pretty low because of the angle of the sun and to keep it out of the line of the power lines. But it was flying low over the brush, and there was a little stick with no leaves, a little tree with no leaves sticking up, and it just happened to clip that. Inspected it, put it up in the air, make sure the gimbal is working alright. Everything seems alright. Pretty lucky. Well, if you made it this far, why don't you like, comment, subscribe to my content. Really just putting this one out there, so hopefully Skydio gets a look at it. So maybe they improve some of the collision avoidance a little bit. But anyway, until next time guys, Underdog, Moto, Mania, out.